Welcome to the channel. You're watching DIY for Life. My name is Dan. So this is that old Westinghouse fan that I've had for many years. I'm not even sure where I got it from, probably an antique shop in New York City. I did try to repair the cord a long time ago with just some electrical tape when I noticed that it was starting to deteriorate, but obviously that only lasted so long. So I have a section of cord, I think it's from a Bose stereo that no longer works, and I'm hoping that I can cut the end off here and then reuse this into the wall. Okay, getting the little feet off the bottom of the fan. Hopefully this will come off. Ta-da! Okay, and we can see how it's wired in there. So it's just connected with these two wire caps. A switch, the power cord to the motor. So hopefully we can duplicate that fairly easily with the new section of cord. So I'm going to put a knot in the cord so it won't pull through the hole and disconnect the wires. And I'm fairly happy with these caps, but I do have a soldering kit, so I'm going to go ahead and solder the wires together so it'll be more permanent. Okay, I've got my soldering iron set up. This is the rosin core with solder. Here's my soldering iron. You want to have this little thing set up with the wet sponge to keep the end clean. This is supported. Warm up the back of the wire to get the solder to flow through. There we go. And we get a nice strong connection between the wires. Let's do the other one. Okay, off the tip. So those wires are very well held together now. You can still use the caps so they don't rub up against anything. Let's test the fan again. Yep, still happy. Now we can just reverse what we did before, which is putting base back in place, which goes this way. I have some basically the same stuff that I've used on chairs or table legs so they don't scratch up the floor, so I'll just cut these to size. Now we need 5 of them, so that's 1. Okay, let's plug it in and test it out. Excellent, we fixed it. Still working as good as the day it was made, however many decades ago. So I hope this video gives you the confidence to replace cords in your old appliances. It's a fairly straightforward job. Didn't even need the soldering iron if you don't have one, just twist the wires together. But job well done, so thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.